Hello friends, welcome to the Basics of Geography series. Here, this is our IS Conclave Institute, which provide you free as well as premium edition. For that, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel. And this is our Geography Incubation series for civil services examination, and especially for those students who lack somewhere in their fundamentals and the basics of geography. So in this series, we already have covered what are minerals, how do minerals form, because these are the three processes: precipitation, crystallization, and deposition. We already have seen this, and we already have also seen this, the list and describe of the properties minerals properties. And now we will look at the minerals groups, how we can classify the minerals. So these we can classify minerals into two groups based on their economic value, like rock forming minerals and the economic minerals. So as you can see in this diagram, these are the major 8 elements which are the major components of the Earth continental crust. So like iron, potassium, magnesium, but silicon here, as you can see, silicon and oxygens constitute the major proportion. So this constitute the major proportion. So these are major minerals, but they don't have such economic value because of their they don't have some manufacturing or industrial applications. And these are the minor minerals, but they have, on the other hand, they have some their economic and industrial value, and that's why they are classified as economic minerals. Now look at the mineral species. What are mineral species? Mineral species are the collection of the mineral specimens which share common mineral structure and chemical compositions. We share common mineral structure and definite chemical composition. Like some common mineral species like quartz, calcite, galena, and pyrite. But within the mineral species, like we classify animals or plant, though within the mineral species, like within the animal species, there are variations. So like that, within the mineral species, there is a variation in the minerals. So we call that mineral varieties. Like in the quartz mineral species, there is various varieties of the quartz, like pure quartz, smoky quartz, amethyst. Like pure quartz, if you look at the pure quartz, you will see that there is a transparent and the colorless appearance, but the quite dark. Whenever there is an impurities of the aluminium in the quartz, it will look like as a quite dark. That's why we call it a smoky quartz. Okay, when there is an iron presence, so the quartz is called as an amethyst, and this has a violet color appearance. Now look at the mineral classes. So there are major 4 mineral classes, like silicate class, carbonate, halite, and sulfate class. So we have already the example of these, like silicate. You have heard about the quartz and mica. In carbonates, you have heard about the calcite, which forms the limestone rock. In halides, there is a halite, NaCl, and in sulfate there is a gypsum. Okay, so these are the major mineral classes, and based on that we have classified the minerals on the basis of this component and their constituent. So silicate versus non-silicate minerals. So because silicate minerals constitute the major proportion of the Earth continental crust, and the non-silicate minerals like calcium, okay, and iron, halide, okay, so these have a minor proportion, and that's why we combine together into the non-silicate minerals, as you can see here, because other minerals groups are less abundant in the earth crust than silicates, and that's why they often group together under the non-silicate minerals. So this is how we can see, and you can see here these are the major 8 minerals which component of the earth continental crust. So this is how we can cover, and this is how we can understand the classification of the minerals. So if you like our videos, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.